It's literally crazy. There's no blood.
Thought I'd do a little bit of extra Thanksgiving cooking. This is the IMALENT MS18, 18 Cree LEDs at 100,000 lumens. This is in a high carbon steel pan on top of a griddle with a commercial smoke hood set on low. So everything should be fine. Let's just go ahead and there it is. No tricks. No camera tricks. Yep. Have fun. I gotta turn my fans on. Actually, I'm gonna do that first and I'll sign off. Good night, everybody.
IMALENT MS18 measured 1215 lux at 20 meter distance.